Kitchen. So we have week 2 of our HomeChef box. Last week was an absolute success. Like, those were awesome, and we really enjoyed trying some new dishes, new flavors, and really worked out really well for us. So we're on week 2 of this adventure. Thatcher's going to help us open them up, and this week's a little bit different as Eleanor got to help pick the recipes that she wanted to make. So she's in Lego class right now, building her Legos and stuff. So Thatcher is going to help with unpacking it, and we'll look at the recipes and we'll see what our initial thoughts are. And just like last week, once we're all done cooking the dishes, we'll give you an update on how Eleanor feels they were and how flavor-wise we all think they are. Remember, she's a 10-year-old girl. She does cook fairly often, especially for a 10-year-old girl in my opinion. But we're looking at these on the forefront of what a beginner cook would believe and what kids' palates think. Huh? You ready? All right. So we cut the tape, but we haven't opened it up. So go ahead.
Let's begin. Oh yay! Oh,
all right. So right here we've got the recipe cards. They are a little bunched up, but not bad.
Oh yay!
So we've got 4 cards. So let's see what.
Yay.
They accidentally gave us 2 of the mango jalapeno. They gave us 2 of one of those cards. I'm not going to tell you what we got. All right, open.
Ooh, this is all we got. Yay!
Okay, let me see this. All right.
That's pretty cool. The box, we have all of that.
So this is for our mango jalapeno pork chops, and it looks pretty good, except those green onions do not. Luckily for us, and it looks like the mango, that's what it is. The mango has busted because it's all in the back. That container of mangoes and stuff.
That doesn't look very good.
No, but that's okay. We have a ton of green onions in our garden, so we can easily replace that. But we will have to wash all of that up before it goes in the fridge because that mango is, like, the jar is busted. All right, next.
One. Ooh, you got a pan.
Yeah, so this is one of the ready-made meals that you can, like, pop in the oven right away. It's the guacamole crema chicken. So I remember getting an email about this one that said that the sour cream may be substituted with Greek yogurt, but there's a container of sour cream in there, so I don't know. Maybe that was just for some people.
Ooh, sour cream again.
And, oh yeah, and then this one is the beef cheddar melt. So it's just potatoes and buns, and that one's a cream cheese instead of a sour cream. So, and that green onion doesn't look terrible. Still not a great one, but we have green onions in our garden, so I'm not too concerned with that. All right, can you pull out our proteins, please?
Yeah.
All right. So,
Cooking it up gives me protein.
oh, what's that on the bottom?
Meat.
That's a pork chop, and we don't eat a lot of pork, so that'll be nice. Oh, it's frozen solid. What's that one?
Meat.
What is that one?
It's protein.
What kind of protein? What does that look like?
I don't know.
Papa?
Chicken.
Chicken. And then, what does that one look like? It's got a cow on it.
I know.
What?
Sliced beef strips.
Yes, sliced beef strips. That will be for our
sandwich.
sandwich.
Right there.
You cheater. You cheater. And then,
oh yeah, we get a free ice pack.
so yes, we do have a free ice pack, and that worked out really well for us. This weekend we took a trip and we reused these, this in our cooler. So that was really good to have. All right, so make sure there's nothing else in our box because you know they used to send different little extra.
Nobody knows how to
coupons and
close
stuff.
them. Nobody knows how to close the box except for me. This is very hard. Okay, you do that, and you do that, and that's how you close the box.
All right, y'all. So I'm going to go through this and make sure that we have all of our ingredients that we need. Like I said, it all is super cold, looks fresh, looks good, except something must have happened when they were packaging, because this box is not damaged at all and there's no leaks or anything. So it had to be something that happened before they packed it in the box, that lid came off or something and just all the mango went out. But, and like I said, the green onions don't look great, but we have them. They're like 50 cents at the grocery store, or actually I think they're about 80 cents to $1 these days. But still, we have plenty. That's something easy to replace. So I'm just gonna make sure we have everything, and we will see y'all this evening when they pick which one of these they're gonna make to begin with. Might even make 2, because there's all 4 of us here tonight, so we might just pick 2 of these to have automatically tonight. So we'll see y'all later.